Hey, just so you know, there's spoilers ahead for seasons 1 through 3 of Stranger Things. You have been warned. This fan theory evolves around the Demogorgons. Demogorgons are creatures from the Netflix series Stranger Things that come from a location only known as the Upside Down. These monsters have different appearances throughout the series, and it's stated on fan sites and other sources that the change in appearance is different stages of evolution, but I think it could be something else entirely. I think that their appearance is based around what they eat while in the third stage. Let's look at the facts. Stranger Things is known for being inspired by concepts and medias of the 1980s. And in the Alien franchise, we learned that the xenomorphs' looks are based around whose chest they essentially come out of. With humans, you get the more traditional looking xenomorphs, but if they come out of another species, like the ones in the Predator franchise, then they have mouths like them. So it's safe to say that whoever they come out of, it would affect how they look. I think that the Demogorgons work in a similar way, with faces that are clearly inspired by the facehuggers in Aliens. Season 1, Episode 1 of Stranger Things, we see a scientist being attacked by an off-screen creature, and when he gets to the elevator, it pulls him through the ceiling, presumably to eat him. But once Dart eats Dustin's pet cat, its appearance changes, getting a flowery face like the Demogorgon for the first season. We never actually in fact see that Demogorgon attack the scientist, which brings us to my conclusion and what I'm trying to get at. I think the Demogorgons look like their frog stage until they eat something and then take on the body shape of that thing they ate. So when Barb got attacked by that one Demogorgon, it looked that way because it ate a scientist, a humanoid. When you have the Demi-Wolves, that's because the first thing it fed on was a cat. The final piece of evidence comes in the final scene of Season 3, when two guards are arguing in a foreign language which human they should feed to the Demogorgon, furthering proof that the Demogorgons look like whatever they feed on. So I think that what happens is they go from the larval stage to the tadpole stage to the amphibian stage, and then from that point, depending on what they actually eat, determines what they look like. So theoretically, if instead of feeding on Dustin's cat or the scientist, it would have ate a bird, it might have had wings. If it ate a seal at the zoo, for example, it might have had flippers. I don't know. But let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to leave a like and hit subscribe for more videos similar to this one. Thanks for listening.